In this video, I'm going to show you how to change invoice number in QuickBooks Online. Now to do this, first you want to enable this inside Settings. So go to Settings top right and click on Account and Settings. Here you want to go to the Sales tab on the left, and inside the Sales Form Content, you want to click on it, and then here you want to edit this to where it says Custom Transaction Numbers. You want to toggle this on and click on Save. Now whenever you've done that, the first part is done, you can go to the X button top right, and now you can go and change your invoice number. So go to all your apps over here, and then in here you basically have to go into Invoices under Sales and Get Paid. And then inside Invoices, you want to find the invoice where you want to change the number. So over here, for example, it's going to be this one. And then what you want to do is you could go over here on the right, click on the arrow down, and click on View/Edit. Now what's going to happen here, it's going to open up the invoice editor, and as you can see in here, it now says invoice number, and of course you can edit this and change it. Okay, so for example, if I want this one to be 1012, and then I can do like 1 over here, I can then save this, and as you can see, I've successfully basically changed the invoice number in QuickBooks Online. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.